All right, welcome to another episode of Let's It Up. Anyway, we're out here on our property in Rio Medina. Me and the smoking hot wife are going to do some maintenance and then maybe have a little fun with some tannerite and shooting some pistols. For right now though, we got to get this working. The battery went out last time we were here, so I had to dump the corn. Brought 2 new bags of corn, new battery. So we will try to get this fixed. There's the lovely owner. Say hi, Cher.
Hey!
This property is as beautiful as Cher is. We got 10 acres here. Goes all around, big pasture. Goes all the way into the woods and down to what's left of the Medina River. Okay, we got to be careful when we open this because sometimes there's wasp in here. 1,
Careful.
2.
Careful.
There was one. One down, one to go. We're going to put 2 bags for the summer. Mummy's apple scented deer corn, some of the best there is. Okay, got us a new battery here. I got it from Lowe's so I could use my military discount. Same battery at Academy, just has a different label. Always bring tools with you. Okay, let's do our test. Back up. That's not good.
Tell me when you're gonna shoot.
Okay, ready?
Beautiful!
I got a plastic bag for the remains. Let's go see what's left of this thing. Look at that. Looks like my GoPro survived. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Look at all this mess. Come on, woman, let's get this cleaned up. We got other stuff to do. Okay, that's that. We're gonna clean up, move on to the second part of the day. Good job, sweetie. Okay, today we are test firing my 4 1/4 inch custom made 1911 in Damascus steel. We're just gonna do 1 8-round magazine with one in the chamber and see how this shoots. It's got a custom Barstow barrel, Damascus slide from Caspian, custom trigger job, the whole 9 yards. So let's see how we do. Okay, we're going to be shooting the top left middle target. Okay, so the pistol ran fine. As you can see, I'm shooting a little high, nice grouping, but most of them probably went over. This is a rear adjustable sight, so we will adjust that sight to bring this down to here.
Good job.